Medina versus Koike, GR number 215723, July 27, 2016. Filipino Doreen ay Filipino citizen and respondent Michiyuki Koike, a Japanese national, were married on June 14, 2005 in Quezon City, Philippines. Their union bore two children, Masato Koike and Fuka Koike. June 14, 2012, Doreen and Michiyuki, pursuant to the laws of Japan, filed for divorce before the mayor of Ichinomiya City, Aichi Prefecture, Japan, seeking to have the said divorce certificate annotated on her certificate of marriage and filed with the local civil registrar of Quezon City. Doreen filed on February 7, 2013, a petition for judicial recognition of foreign divorce and declaration of capacity to remarry before the RTC. The RTC denied Doreen's petition, ruling that in action for recognition of foreign divorce decree pursuant to Article 26 of the Family Code, the Foreign Divorce Decree, and the national law of the alien, recognizing his or her capacity to obtain a divorce must be proven in accordance with Section 24 and 25 of Rule 132 of the Revised Rules on Evidence. Issue: whether or not the RTC erred in denying the petition for judicial recognition of foreign divorce. Yes, Philippine law does not provide for absolute divorce. However, Article 26 of the Family Code, which addresses foreign marriages or mixed marriages involving a Filipino and a foreigner, allows a Filipino spouse to contract a subsequent marriage in case the divorce is validly obtained abroad by an alien spouse, capacitating him or her to remarry.